Solving India's e-waste crisis, a circular approach for a sustainable future. The global issue of electronic waste, e-waste, has reached alarming proportions, and India has emerged as one of the largest contributors to this growing problem. To combat this crisis, the Indian Cellular and Electronics Association, ICEA, has put forth a visionary proposal in its report titled Pathways to Circular Economy in the Indian Electronics Sector. This proposal emphasizes the importance of adopting a circular economy approach to e-waste management. In this video, we delve into the concept of a circular approach, the challenges it faces, and the promising way forward for India's e-waste management. The circular approach to e-waste management. The circular economy approach to e-waste management revolves around the establishment of reverse supply chains. These supply chains are designed to collect used electronic devices, refurbish them, and reintroduce them into the market for reuse. This innovative approach not only addresses the issue of mounting e-waste but also unlocks the potential to recover valuable resources that can be utilized in the production of new electronic products. Furthermore, it contributes to reducing harmful emissions associated with e-waste disposal. Challenges in implementing the circular approach. Implementing the circular approach to e-waste management in India comes with its share of challenges. The existing method of disposing of electronic devices and components in landfills or incinerators is both environmentally unsustainable and detrimental. One key challenge is the absence of sufficient incentives for all stakeholders in the supply chain to embrace the circular economy model. Lack of infrastructure and technology for the proper processing and recycling of e-waste is another obstacle. The current inverted duty structure often leads to cannibalization, where complete devices are purchased solely to harvest spare parts, driving down costs but hindering sustainable practices. This practice highlights the need for affordable access to spare parts for effective refurbishing. Moreover, the informal sector currently manages a significant portion of e-waste in India, lacking the expertise and equipment required for safe and efficient recycling. This reliance on informal channels further exacerbates the challenges of responsible e-waste management. Consumer awareness is another hurdle. Many individuals are hesitant to recycle their used devices due to concerns about data privacy and security. This leads to an alarming statistic of approximately 200 million unused electronic devices stored in people's homes. The viability of recycling plants is also in question due to the scattered and disaggregated nature of recyclable materials, which escalates operational costs. The way forward. The ICEA report provides a roadmap for addressing these challenges and revolutionizing e-waste management in India. 1. Public-private partnerships. The establishment of high-tech recycling centers through collaborations between the public and private sectors can extract maximum value from e-waste. 2. Consumer education. Initiatives aimed at educating consumers about the benefits of e-waste recycling and offering incentives for responsible device disposal can help bridge the awareness gap. 3. Auditable database. Creating a transparent database to track collected materials can enhance accountability and traceability in the recycling process. 4. Geographical clusters. Setting up geographical clusters for device collection and disassembly can streamline the e-waste management process. 5. Incentivizing high-yield recycling centers. Encouraging the development of high-yield recycling centers can maximize the extraction of valuable materials like rare earth metals from semiconductors. 6. Government support. Financial support from the government, such as covering a portion of capital expenditures, can incentivize the establishment of advanced recycling facilities. 7. Right to repair policy. Encouraging repair and extending product lifetimes through policies like right to repair can further reduce e-waste generation. In conclusion, India's e-waste crisis demands innovative and sustainable solutions, and the circular economy approach proposed by the ICEA offers a promising path forward. By addressing the challenges and implementing the recommended strategies, India can not only tackle its e-waste problem but also pave the way for a more environmentally conscious and economically robust electronics sector. It's a journey towards a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.